subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSoul blog.
The Oppo has come up with a new sub-brand called RealMe. The RealMe One will be sold exclusively on Amazon and is likely to be priced between 10,000 to 15,000 Indian rupees. The RealMe One phone has already gone live on Amazon India site. The Oppo has put up the image of the RealMe's alongside a rather drab run of the mill smartphone. The image is accompanied by the tagline, "Wait for RealMe's unique diamond black." The RealMe One will come with a single camera unit at the back panel. The diamond black color design looks to be attractive. The company claims to have tested the RealMe One for what it calls real quality, and this test includes 10,000 drop test, 1 lakh button test, 10,000 USB test and other. As far as after the sales are concerned, the RealMe One will be backed by more than 500 authorized service centers alongside a guaranteed 1-hour resolution time. So, what do you guys think of the Oppo's first sub-brand RealMe One smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel TechSoul blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.